Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Interfaces. So similar to classes in ABAP, interfaces act as data types for objects. The components of interfaces are same as components of classes. Unlike the declaration of classes, the declaration of an interface does not include the visibility sections. This is because the components defined in the declaration of an interface are always integrated in the public visibility section of the classes. Interfaces are used when two similar classes have a method with the same name, but the functionalities are different from each other. Interfaces might appear similar to classes, but the functions defined in an interface are implemented in a class to extend the scope of that class. Interfaces, along with the inheritance feature, provide a base for polymorphism. This is because a method defined in an interface can behave differently in different classes. So the general format to create an interface name, data, class methods, class methods, and interface. In this syntax, interface name represents the name of an interface. The data and class data statements can be used to define the instance and static attributes of the interface respectively. The methods and class method statements can be used to define the instance and static methods of the interface respectively. As the definition of an interface does not include the implementation class, it is not necessary to add the definition clause in the declaration of an interface. All the methods of an interface are abstract. They are fully declared, including their parameter interface, but not implemented in the interface. All the classes that want to use an interface must implement all the methods of the interface. Otherwise, the class becomes an abstract class. So, we use the following syntax in the implementation part of the class. Interface name. In this syntax, interface name represents the name of an interface. Note that this syntax must be used in the public section of the class. The syntax used to implement the methods of an interface inside the implementation of a class. Method, interface name, method, end method. In this syntax, interface name method represents the fully declared name of a method of the interface name interface. So the code produces the output. The number is 7 and the total number of wheels is 4. In this example, my interface 1 is the name of an interface that contains the message method. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Interface. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.